Hello, in this video I want to show you how to play Roblox. And to do this, you can access it multiple ways, it depends on which platform you'll be using. Here I'm on a PC with Windows 10, and now we can head on to the Roblox-home website. You can find the button on top which says Explore Roblox in our desktop app. Here click on Open. Download and install Roblox, and that way you'll be able to open a game, create the account and start playing. Also, another way to do it is to open your Windows Store. Here in the search, locate Roblox. Click on it, and also there should be installation button around this place. I already downloaded it and I have play. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.